Hello everybody, and what we're going to do today is we're going to make a password generating program in Perl. So this will generate random passwords at any length you specify. So first of all, what we've done here, we've created a subroutine called multipass, and we use the print command, and in there we've typed create yes or no. So the user is going to type in yes to create and generate a random password, or no to exit the program. So we get the user input by creating a scalar variable here and assigning it to standard input. This will get the input from the user, and then what we've got to do is use the print command again to tell the user to enter a length or type in n to exit the program. So again, we've created a scalar variable called length and assigned it to standard input. So this will take the input that the user has typed in. Now we come down onto the if, which is a conditional statement, and we've created a variable here called choice. So if choice is equal to yes, so if the user types y in, then what we've done here, we've created an array called chars, which is short for characters, and we've put A to Z here, which is lowercase, and we put A to Z, which is uppercase, and then what we're going to use numbers as well, 0 to 9, and then we're going to use these special characters here, so it will mix these in with the password. Then we create the scalar variable called pass, assign it to join, and then we join these characters together, and we use map characters, and then we randomize these characters, and then we can print the length, which is starts at 1 character up to the length here which the user typed in. So let's say the user types in 10, it will generate some characters from 1 to 10, so you'll have 10 characters in your password. And then all we do is we print the pass out here, the password, and a new line. Or else, if that's not the case, if the user typed in n for no to exit, then what we do is we print a message to the user saying exiting the program. And now to call the program, what we do here is we call it by its name, and it's called multipass. So let's just run this. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger so that you can see it. So you've got the option there, yay or nay, yes or no. So type in y. Let's get the next option here, which is enter the length. I'm going to say I want to generate a password of 10 characters. Hit enter, and there you go. So what we're going to do now, we're going to run it again, and we're simply gonna, I don't want to generate a password here, so I'm simply going to type in n and then n in there, and we've exited the program. So that's just about it for this program. I hope this has been useful, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. Remember to give it a big thumbs up, drop me a comment as well, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.